Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching DPAT TV. Ladies and gentlemen, broadcasting to you live inside DPAT's laboratory at Barangay Anonas in the city of Urdaneta in Pangasinan. Don Patrick D. Paraguilar proudly bringing you the season finale of our DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. So without further ado, it's now time to start off our festivities in our Sabado Nights edition here on DTL SMC, beginning with this race number 1 of our elimination round. It's going to be McLaren versus Neon Sarah to start off our festivities here in our Sabado Nights edition of the Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. And in our race number 1 for tonight's edition, it's going to be McLaren starting at lane 1, Neon Sarah at lane 2. I repeat, it's McLaren at lane 1. And Neon Sarah at lane 2 as their respective starting lanes for start of our elimination round. Once again, this is the season finale of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, and we'll begin this right away with our race number 1 of the elimination round. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Nakatukan. Nakatukan. Final up. Good. McLaren starting up this Sabado night's racing action with its victory over Neon Sarah. Alright, so 1-0. Good start for McLaren, winning it over Neon Sarah. Alright, race number 2, right away. Okay, race number 2 na po tayo. Archer Amerto taking on Polaris. Yan, so sina Neon Sarah at Polaris, one final chance na to para makascore. So, for our race number 2 tonight, it's going to be Archer Amerto this time at lane 2 and Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, it's Archer Amerto at lane 2 and Polaris starting at lane 1 for our race number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Grabe naman yung live na yun. Okay, boing! So. Draw game. Draw. Huling na tumba si Archer, so dito siya. Race number 7. Usog na natin. Tapos ito. Yan na yung susunod after nung race number 5. Yan. Okay, dito ko na lalagay. Draw. Pero unang naimbang si Polaris, kaya siya yung unang lalaban kay Neon Sarah. Race number 3 right away is the Battle of Orange Army Cars featuring Cosmo Atomica and Papa Roach. Yan, Cosmo Atomica versus Papa Roach for our race number 3. And in this matchup, it's going to be in this matchup, it's going to be Papa Roach at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2. I repeat, it's Papa Roach at lane 1 and Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 being the respective starting lanes for this race number 3. Switch on. Ay, hindi pala. Lane 1 pala si Cosmo, tapos Papa Roach lane 2 pala, sorry. Ready, set, bye. Sumasabay si Cosmo. Oh, tampit pa. Final up. Holy smoke. Kaya po lagi, higher seat pala si Cosmo, kaya nilagay ko siya sa lane 1. Buti na lang nag-isip ako nung buti na lang napaisip ako. Lane 1 nga pala kasi higher seat si Cosmo Atomica eh. Higher seat si Cosmo. So lane 1 siya, tapos lane 2 si Papa Roach, sorry. Alright, but nevertheless, it's Cosmo Atomica emerging victorious over Papa Roach. Sayang, just when we thought Papa Roach was about to win it, but unfortunately at the final lap, sumabit. Aray, malas. Alright. Lane yun, tama. Lane 1 si Cosmo, tapos lane 2 si Papa Roach. Ayun. This time, lane 2 yung higher seat. Si Tarika ang lane 2 for this race number 4. It's going to be RT Tarika versus Setsuna for our race number 4 sa ating Dark Warriors matchup. It's going to be RT Tarika at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1 this time. Ayun, ginorek ko na. I repeat, it's RT Tarika at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1 to start race number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, stop! Yoy! Why are you? Upward. Loading. Go. Pero nahuling na tumba si Setsuna. So, dito siya sa winning side. Winner side. Winner side si Setsuna. Huling na tumba eh. Pero draw pa rin yun, nevertheless. Draw game. Tapos winner si loser si Papa Roach kay Cosmo. Sumabit eh. Sayang. Ganda na sana ang takbo ni Papa Roach eh. Sumabit lang. Darag. Ang ganda na sana eh. Race number 5 will feature the battle of Super 2 chassis machines. It's going to be Neon Sarah versus Polaris. Alright. Neon Sarah versus Polaris for our race number 5. It's battle of Super 2 chassis machines. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sarah at lane 1. Polaris this time at lane 2. I repeat, it's Neon Sarah, the Mountain Dew at lane 1. And the Pepsi, stripe pala stripe, itong si Polaris starting at lane 2 for our race number 5. Switch on! Repeat kasi. Ready, set, 5. Okay, logging. Logging na yan, logging. Logging. Draw game. Draw game na po yun kasi did not finish. If the body or the cowl falls, it's considered DNF. Did not finish po yun, kaya draw. Kaya pinull out ko na. Draw po yun, draw. Did not finish. Wala naman kasing re-race eh. Official timeout, talalagyan ko ng Pepsi yan. Pamilya Pepsi Neon Sarah. Sa front, yan din yung problema ni McLaren ngayon. Buti na nga lang hindi bumigay yung isa. Pagi lang. Alright. Draw po yun, draw. Pero lalagyan ko lang ng tape tong si Neon Sarah. Did not finish. Ganda na sana ang takbo ni Neon Sarah kundi lang bumigay eh. Ni? Paingay. Paingay. Nani? Ay. Nako. Buti na lang madaling punitin tong Unang umembang pera si Polaris, no? Bago did not finish si Manila Bulletin Rule po yon. Pag ang takip natanggal, bumukas ang takip ng auto, did not finish po. Matic, pwede na natin i-pull out yun. Considered embang. Doon sa official rules kasi, basta may natanggal lang na parts, automatic embang eh. Automatic embang ng may tuturing, no? Pero dito Manila Bulletin Rules sinusunod natin. Tsaka in conjunction with with FIMA rules or FIMA rules. Meaning yung international o yung global rules natin. Yun ang sinusunod po natin dito sa DPATS Tamiya League. Okay? Antay ngayon si Neon Sara ng mga kalaban niya doon sa winner's side. Draw game yon between Polaris and Neon Sara. NSA dito pala. Okay. Race number 6. Papa Roach. Artitarika versus Papa Roach for our race number 6. And in this matchup, it's going to be... internet na naman natin eh. Gumugulo na naman yung internet natin. Tapos sinasabi slow connection daw. Ay talagang pinapapangit ng mga telco yung serbisyo natin. Serbisyo ng internet. Pati yung GCash, ang daya. Ayaw magpa-verify. Ayaw akong i-verify ng GCash. Talagang ayaw nilang tawag dito. Ayaw nilang Hey, race number 6. Alright. So it's Artitarika versus Papa Roach for our race number 6. And Mogulo na naman yung signal natin eh. Wala na naman sa ayos eh. Heto na naman tayo. Patapos na nga lang yung season natin. Gaganyanin pa tayo. Gaganyan pa tayo ng mga oligarkong to. Talagang gusto niya mangurakot ng mangurakot sa taong bayan eh. Gusto talaga tayong kurakutin na naman ni Meta. Alright! Race number 6, ulit. Race number 6 natin, Papa Roach versus Artitarika. Starting lanes will be Artitarika at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1. I repeat, Papa Roach at lane 1, Artitarika at lane 2 for our race number 6. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Na. Drawing. Drawing. Pumalsik ng trucks, draw. Pabla. Checkin natin dito sa live chat kung sino yung mga hindi pwede kasing Draw ang laban sa race 6. Draw na naman. Ano kaya yun? Panay draw. Ginoo. Next. Race 7. Pero sino yung huling natumba? Artitarika. Ayo. So sila yung magkalaban doon sa isang doon sa race 11 yan, si Artitarika. Yan. Papa Roach Polaris sunod yan. Okay. Race number 7. Okay. Race number 7 natin is going to be Archie Myrtle versus McLaurin. So, battle for third rematch. Race for third rematch. Ito ang ating race number 7 wherein Archie Myrtle will start at lane 1. McLaurin at lane 2. I repeat, McLaurin at lane 2, Archie Myrtle at lane 1, being their respective starting lanes, so same color. Pareho kulay nila yung mga starting lanes sila dito sa race number 7. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ulit. Pinatayan na naman tayo na signal eh. Ulit yung race, ulit. Ulit yung race kasi pinatayan tayo na signal na naman. Pinapatay na naman tayo ng mga oligarkong yan. Ulit yung restart of race 7. Switch on. Bato, tumba na. Ayan. Kaya hindi tayo matatapos-tapos dito dahil sa mga interruption na yun ng internet eh. Parang ayaw tayong pagbigyan. Ayaw niyong ayusin yung baon nyo eh, mga telco eh. Aray! Alright, repeat, race 7, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Kakabwisit na itong mga oligarko nangungurakot. Puro kayo kurakot sa taong bayan. Buti na lang, nakuha na yung ano. Ayaw na naman akong pagbigyan eh. Talagang ayaw nyo akong pagbigyan eh. Kahit kailan kayo talaga eh. Kahit kailan kayo mga oligarko kayo. Gusto nyo kurakot ng kurakot. Kakagalit. Alright. Race number 7 result, McLaren winner. Yan, McLaren winner din sa race number 7. Buti na lang, nakuha natin ng ano. Tapos usog pala siya doon. Race number 12 na pala makikita yan. Si Neon Sar at si Artie Tarek sa race number 11. Yan. Tapos si Archer maghintay siya sa race 10. Nakakainis tong mga telco talagang to. Ayaw tayong pagbigyan eh. Ayaw tayong pagbigyan sa ating podcast. Kaya nasisira yung reputasyon ko dyan sa Meta eh. Ayaw yung ayusin yung trabaho nyo. Nakabwisit. Totoo lang, gusto ko nang murahin eh. Sana ba yun? See? Dos pala. Tapos green pala yung isa. Yun. Yan. Kaya ano pala yan, oh. Race porter dito lang. Yan. Yan. Okay, race number 8. Tayo, naka-race number 8 pa lang tayo, 6:30 na. Dami nang nasasayang na oras. Race number 12 natin, ano na to? It's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus Setsuna. Yan. Kalimutan ko tuloy. Cosmo Atomica versus Setsuna for our race number 8. Yan, sa match up na ito, it's going to be Setsuna at lane 1. Lane 1. Lane 1 nga, tama. So, Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1. Alright. Race number 8, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Sadyang pa tumalon. Ano kaya yun? Naglaking pa tumalon. Tato. Captain Gayer. Final. Ayaw makisama talaga. Ayaw. Kakabuisit talaga yung internet signal na dito sa Pilipinas eh. Talagang gustong isabotahe eh. Salit na mapaganda yung buhay ng bansang ito, lagi na lang sinasabotahe. Pati yung itong liga na to gustong isabotahe eh. Gusto na lang lagi sabotahe. Puro kayo sabotahe. Pagkakutak talangka nitong mga oligarkong to. Ayaw nila tayong umangat eh. Kaya 35 lang yung followers ko sa Dipats Tamiya League eh. Ayaw kasi akong umangat. Ayaw akong pangatin talaga. Kakabwisit na eh. No? Puro slow connection. Ayaw nyo bang pabilisin yung internet signal dito? Puro kayo slow connection eh. Puro nire-reklamo nyo sa akin, slow connection eh. Talagang gusto nyo ko isabotahe. Puro kayo sabotahe sa akin. Hindi na kayo nahiya, bansang to. Mga oligarko kayo. Ayaw nyong ayusin yung trabaho nyo eh. Ano ba ito? Alright. Doon sa race number 8 na yon, ang nanalo ay si Cosmo Atomica. Pala. So, si Seso na dito sa kabila. Kakaloka na. Papatay na nga yung Plus, trying to reconnect pa rin. Anong klase naman tong internet dito sa Pinas? Kakabwisit na eh. Yan. Hirap yung ganito. Yan. Ewan ko na lang kung lumipat ka pa. Puro na lang slow connection, slow connection, slow connection, slow connection. Tapos trying to reconnect. Papakawala nyo sa ayos. Ayusin nyo naman yung trabaho nyo, mga telco kayo. Nakabwisit. Alright. Race number 9. Okay. Race number 9 will feature Polaris taking on Papa Roach. Yan. Yun ang ating race number 9. Alright. So in this race number 9, it's going to be Papa Roach at lane 2. And Polaris will start at lane 1. I repeat, it's Polaris at lane 1. Papa Roach at lane 2 for race number 9. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Sorry. Go. Go game. Ang bibilis. Stock motor na nga lang yun eh. Mabilis pa rin. Draw game. Tapos ang hina na nga ng baterya, draw pa rin. Ano kaya yun? Draw. So unang natumba si Papa Roach. So siya magstay sa loser's bracket. Tapos mag-antay sa winner nung pangalawa ng race 10. Draw pala, no? Draw. PRPO. Draw. Yun. PRPO. Draw. Next. Next, bilisan natin. Atakin ako sa puso nito. Race number 10. Alright. Race number 10 will feature Archera Myrtle versus Setsuna. Yan. For our race number 10, Archera Myrtle versus Setsuna is the matchup. And Archera Myrtle will start at lane 2 and Setsuna at lane 1. I repeat, Archera Myrtle at lane 2, Setsuna at lane 1 for our race number 10. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Ready? No. Again. Rolling. Draw. Oh, yun ulit. Blue ball pen. C-A-M. Tapos, Archera Setsuna. Go again. Draw. Pero sino yung unang natumba? Si Archera. O, di siyang tatapat dun. Tapos Polaris Setsuna yung isa. Yan, siguro naman, tinu na yan. Pag hindi pa nagtinuya, iwan ko na lang. Race number 11. Okay. Race number 11 will feature RT Tarika taking on Neon Sara. And in this race 11, it's going to be RT Tarika at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2. I repeat, RT Tarika at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2 to start off race number 11. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Good. 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 That's it. Ayan na. Teka muna, ano ba yon? Change lane? Change lane na ata eh. Ayan, isa pa. Wait, isa pa. Parang mali. Parang mali. Sandali, parang mali. Sa sobrang high blood ko, namamali na tuloy. Namamali na ako ng judgment. Replay center tayo. Sige, patayin na natin yung flash. Tama. Tama yun, lane 2 si Tama, lane 1 si RT Tarika, lane 2 si Neon Sara. Walang change. Wala. Alright. So, it's confirmed that Neon Sara wins the race number 11. Panalo si Neon Sara. Tama. Tama, kasi yan Ay, sorry. Yan, tingnan natin dito sa replay center para sigurado tayo. Replay center muna tayo. Sa replay center. Good. 3 4 lap number 4. Last 2. Final lap. Tama. Okay, tama. Neon Sara winner, upsetting RT Tarika. Tama 'yon. Tama yung hatol natin doon. Tama lang pala. Kala ko nagkamali na ako ng ginawa Tama. Neon Sara wins. NSRT. Tapos si RT talo. Wala namang umimbang, pero mabilis lang talaga si Neon Sara. Partida 5:1 yun. Ang kalaban 3.5. Grabe. Ayos. Tingnan natin kung tatlo-tatlo. Si Cosmo at McLaren na lang yung dalawa, no? Yun. Tama. Okay. Race 12. Sige. Bilisan na natin. Race number 12 will feature Cosmo Atomica taking on McLaren. Again, another battle of Orange Army cars sa ating race number 12. And in this matchup, it's Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, McLaren at lane 1. I repeat, it's McLaren at lane 1 and Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 for our race number 12. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. At even yan Tama. Naso. Kaya na. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright. Yan. Tama yun. Doon siya tatapat. Papatay na natin yung flash. Sandali. Sumasakit lalo yung ulo ko. Mga sama ng signal nyo. Mag-tail ko kayo. Ngayon yung ayusin yung trabaho nyo Nasakit kayo ng ulo. Yan. Next, race 13. Bilisan na natin, race 13. Race number 13 will feature Archer Myrtle taking on Papa Roach. Yan. Yan ang labanan ng mga aero sa ating race number 13. And in this matchup, it's Archer Myrtle starting at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. I repeat, same color sila. Archer Myrtle at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. For race number 13. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Very good. Login. Stop it. Login. Stop it. Where are you? Una siya dito sa Pressure ngayon kay Papa Roach kasi kung hindi siya makakapag-final at kung hindi siya makapag-finals, yari na. Yari na. Yari na. Si Cosmo ang champion of the month if ever. Draw. AMPR. PRAM. Yan. Tatlo na lang natitirang assignments kina Papa Roach at Archer Myrtle. So standby yan. So ang natirang assignment kay Archer Myrtle si ano? Yung top 2, RT Tarika Cosmo, tsaka si ano? Leon Sara. Okay. Race number 14. Race number 14 natin, RT Tarika versus McLaren. For our race number 14, wherein the starting lanes of the cars will be RT Tarika at lane 2, McLaren at lane 1. Contrasting colors ito. Lane 2 for RT Tarika, lane 1 for McLaren in this race number 14. Switch on. Ready? Ready? It's just time up. Ano nangyari? Ay, oo, naka-loose pala. Okay, one more time. Race number 14, switch on. Ready, set, 5. Lapo. Nakitry na sila eh. Ayaw na. Nagkakanta preno na at lahat pero still McLaren with an upset victory over RT Tarika. O yun, Archer McLaren, tapos na yan. Archer McLaren waiting yan. RT, PR, tapos na. O dito yan sa kabila. At least walang embang. Oh, for now, walang embang. Buti na lang. Season finale na nga lang, sisirain pa tayo. Parang ano lang, para si yung president natin dito sa Pilipinas, kahit wala pang ginagawa, gusto niya siraan. Gusto niya siraan sa taong bayan. Mga gumagawa ng signal jamming na yan, mga basher eh. Mga basher yan. Win. So yung Polaris, Papa Roach, Setsuna. O yun yung mga natitirang assignments pala niya. Polaris, Papa Roach, Setsuna. Pero malalaman natin yan mamaya. Okay, Pepper. Si RT Tarika naman, last assignments, Polaris, Cosmo, Archera. Ayun, pwede. Ay kaso ano eh. Kaso teka muna. Si ano pala. Tama ba? Yung mga top na lang yung ano, hindi pa nakalaban ni Archer eh. Tama, ganun na nga. Ganun na nga mangyari. Pero sige, tingnan lang natin, baka may winner side pa doon sa kabila. For now, ganyan na lang muna. Race 15, tayo. Diretso tayo sa race 15. Race number 15 natin, it's going to be Polaris versus Setsuna. So, Battle of Super 2 machines na naman tayo sa ating race 15, and in this matchup, it's Polaris starting at lane 1 and Setsuna starting at lane 2. I repeat, Setsuna lane 2, Polaris lane 1 for our race number 15. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Good. Lato. Paano lang? Okay. Polaris winner. Alright. Polaris won. So, loser side. Setsuna, tapos na siya kay RT Tarika tsaka kay Papa Roach. Hindi pa. Ayun, Papa Roach, hindi pa. Setsuna, Papa Roach. Ayun. Nice. Yun. Yun din. Setsuna, Polaris. Won si Polaris. Taas loss si Setsuna. Patayin ko muna yung flash. Baka mag-ano na naman eh. Tapos si Polaris, ang hinihintay niya ay si RT, Cosmo, or McLaren. Oh, McLaren. For this case, si McLaren. Ayun, nice. Yun. Yan. Ayos. Kasi yung si Archer, antayin niya si Cosmo or si Neon Sara. Ayun. Ayos. Okay. Race 16 tayo. Race number 16 natin, Cosmo Atomica versus Neon Sara for our race 16. And in this matchup, it's Cosmo Atomica starting at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. I repeat, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1 for race 16. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. What? Okay, nakasukan. Satu. Good. Final lap. Okay. Cosmo Atomica winner. Alright. O yun, Archera, Cosmo. Yun. Tapos Neon Sara, RT Tarika. Ay, tapos na. Patay, waiting. Waiting siya. Waiting siya. Waiting pala. Waiting si Neon Sara. Cosmo versus Neon Sara. Tapos won si ano. Kalimutan ko. Yon. 4-0 Cosmo. Aba. Yari. Delikado si Papa Roach. Ilan na yung talo ni Papa Roach? Isa. Tapos 3 tabla. Naku po. Dehado. So si Neon Sara, natitirang assignments na lang niya. Si Archera, si Papa Roach, at si Setsuna. Ay, oh. So yun na lang yung mga natira. Okay. So gano'n na mangyayari. Okay. Race number 17. Tayo kagad. Race 17 po natin, it's going to be Papa Roach versus Setsuna. Yan. So yun na nga nasa kulilat na posisyon sila magkalaban sa ating race number 17 wherein Papa Roach will start at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. I repeat, it's Setsuna at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1 for race number 17. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Draw, game. Draw. Sayang, ganda na sana ng takbo ni Papa Roach. Nadali pa. Kaya ayun. So, yung mga natitirang assignment niya, Neon Sara at saka si yung huling laban niya kasi, si Cosmo. Ay, oh. So, ano siya? This number 4. Oh, tapos siya. Tama. Papa Roach tsaka ano din. Papa Roach at tsaka Neon Sara. Yun na yung next. Sige. Race 18. Tayo. Kagad. Okay. Race number 18 will feature McLaren versus Polaris. Yan. Sa matchup ni na McLaren at Polaris sa ating race 18, it's going to be McLaren at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, Polaris at lane 1, McLaren at lane 2, being their respective starting lanes for our race number 18. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Good. Masuka pa, kaya rin. Login. Masuka rin. Login. Asintado na naman si Madam Pur sa tira. Durug. Login. Draw. Pero sino yung unang natumba? McLaurin. RT Tarega, nakalaban yung si McLaurin. Hindi pa. Setsuna. Hindi pa. Yon. Good. O tapos, yan. Yan. Tama. O tapos, Lauren. Draw. Ren, draw. Yan. Tapos, so yung last two assignments ni McLaurin, Setsuna at saka Neon sa, hindi. Setsuna, Papa Roach, last assignments niya pala. Tama. Tapos si Papa Roach, ang last assignment, McLaurin, Neon, Sara. Ayun. Okay, sige. Race number 19. Tayo. Dumiretso tayo sa kabila eh. O, race 19. Okay. Race number 19 natin, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica versus Archera Myrtle for our race number 19. And in this matchup, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Archera Myrtle at lane 2. I repeat, Cosmo Atomica lane 1, then Archera Myrtle lane 2 for our race number 19. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Final up. Ano na naman tumino ha? Report. Report problem. Alright. After that, race number 19, Cosmo Atomica emerging the winner. Alright. Cosmo winner. Alright. So, undefeated pa rin si Cosmo Atomica. Oo. Maganda yung start niya. Maiwan siya doon. Maiwan siya doon. Or pwede rin, itapat na siya kay Polaris. Tama. Pwede na, itapat kay Polaris yan. Correct. Winner. Cosmo winner over Archera. Archera lost. Last two ni Archera, si RT Tareka at Neon Sara. Papa Roach ang last two niya, Neon Sara McLaurin. Okay. Santayin niya ngayon yung nandun sa yung mananalo sa dalawa. Ang antayin ni Archera Myrtle dito yung mananalo sa dalawa, si Neon Sara pala. O tapos si RT Tareka, ang aantayin niya, si Cosmo nga ba? Polaris o si Talo rin kasi yung huli si RT Tareka eh. Talo. Talo. Okay. Sunod natin, race number 20. Okay. Race 20 na tayo, agad-agad. Ayan. Alright, race number 20 will feature pa Neon Sara versus Papa Roach. Yan. Neon Sara versus Papa Roach for our race number 20. And in this matchup, it's going to be Neon Sara at lane 2. And Papa Roach starting at lane 1. I repeat, Neon Sara at lane 2, Papa Roach at lane 1 for our race number 20. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Last two. Final up. Okay. Neon Sara, winner. Alright, yun, dito siya. Ay, sa loser side pala yun, loser side pala, O tama, sa bagay, last two assignments naman na, di bali na. Sige, di bali. Oray nun. Oray nun. Oray nun, oray nun. Dalawa na. Dalawa ng biniktima ni Neon Sara. Dalawa na. Dalawa ng ina-upset. Nagkakabasag-basag na yung Vivo ko dahil sa hina ng signal eh. Ayaw na niya talaga ng 4G. Gusto niya talaga 5G. Gusto na ng 5G. Okay. Race 21. Right away. Okay. Race number 21. McLaren versus Setsa Nice na matchup. Yan. Long time rivals sa ating race number. Puro kayo slow connection, tapos trying to reconnect tayo. Mga uligar ko kayo. Nakabwisit. Mas nakaka-high blood pa to sa chooks to ko eh. Ayaw tayong pagbigyan eh. Ayaw talaga tayong pagbigyan eh. Puro na. Ayaw tayong pagbigyan eh. Ayaw na naman tayong pagbigyan eh. Ano sino palang nanalo doon sa ano na yun? Oo. Ano ba yung nangyari doon sa ano? Sandali. Parang nakalimutan ko na. Replay center ulit tayo. Mauubos tayo rito, mauubos. Hindi nakunan? Hindi pala nakunan? Kung mo sabihin hindi nakunan yung ano? Hindi nakunan yung video? Mukhang di yata nakunan. Mukhang hindi nakunan nata yung McLaren Setsuna. Oh. Yan na natin. Parang nalampasan ko kanina eh. Tingnan lang natin ha. Parang di nakunan kasi. Nako. Mukhang di yata nakunan. Mukhang hindi nakunan. Hindi nga nakunan. Hindi nakunan. Oh? Nako? Mukhang hindi nakuha yung race number 21. Oh, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, race 21 na eh. Hindi nga nakunan. Hindi nga nakunan. Mukhang di nga nakunan. Di nga nakunan. We were unable to take yung race 21. Tama ba? Race 21 yon. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Tama. Race 21, hindi nakunan. Hindi nakunang maigi. Hindi nakunan yung race 21. Saklap. Hindi nakunan. Hindi natin nakuha yung race number 21. Ulit tayo. Ulit tayo. Ulit tayo sa race 21. Ulitin natin yung race number 21. Hindi nakunan eh. Hindi nakuha. Hindi nakuha. Yung race 21, hindi nakuha. So, McLaren, seto na yung matchup sa race 21. Lane 1 si McLaren, lane 2 si Setson na si John. Ready, set, fight. Go. O yan, consider go. Draw na lang. Oo. Hindi natin nakunan eh. Draw. O yun, convincing. Draw. Hindi nakunan ng camera yung laban. Draw. So, mga last assignments na rin lang yan. Ren Setsuna. Draw na lang. Consider na lang nating draw. Hindi nakunan eh. So, last assignment ni Setsuna, Neon Sara. Last assignment ni McLaren, Papa Roach. Yo. Tapos RT Tarika, marami pa pala. Marami pa palang laban si RT Tarika na hindi pa natatapos. Sige. Marami pa palang di tapos na laban. Okay, race number 22 tayo. Race number 22 natin, Cosmo Atomica versus Polaris. Yan. Cosmo Atomica versus Polaris being our race number 22. And in this matchup, it's Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, Polaris at lane 1, Cosmo Atomica at lane 2 for our race number 22. Switch on. Ready, set, fight. Okay. Cosmo Atomica winner. At 5-0. So ang last assignment deception na si Neon Sara. Si Cosmo, dalawa pa assignment niya. Si RT at saka si RT at saka si isa. Yun, tsaka lang ito. Ito, baka makakuha na ako ng replay. O, kung ano yung flash. Double check natin yung kay McLaren Setsuna. Antayin lang natin. O, official timeout lang tayo muna. Official timeout. Green para kay Cosmo against Polaris. Tama. Yun. So ang last assignment niya si RT Tarika. Last na yun kay Last na kay Polaris si RT Tarika. Check lang natin kung nakunan hindi nga. Tama, hindi nga nakunan. Hindi nga nakunan. Kaya matagal yung lal natin kasi hindi nakunan yung hindi nakunan yung McLaren Setsuna. Talagang talagang nakakabwisit yung mga naninira ng signal. Malamang mga basher yan eh. Malamang mga basher yan. Okay, next. Race 23. Race number 23 will be Archer Amerita. Oops. Race number 23 po natin, it's going to be Archer Myrtle versus Neon Sara. Dalawang dipihit magkalaban sa ating race number 23. And in this matchup, it's Neon Sara starting at lane 2, Archer Myrtle at lane 1. I repeat, Archer Myrtle at lane 1, Neon Sara at lane 2 for race number 23. Switch on! Dalawang GT pa lang magkalaban. Ready, set, fight! Draw, game. Draw. Pero nakuling natumba si ano. Si Neon. Setso na, last. Ayun. Ayun na, ang last. That's it. Yan na yun. Si Archera, sinong last? Artitari ka. Ayun. Antayin niya dun. Kabila. Ayun. May iwasan pa pala yung back-to-back. Pwede pa nating maiwasan yung back-to-back. Draw game. Draw. Neon Sara, draw. Setso na ang last assignment ni Neon Sara. Okay. Race number 24. Okay. Race number 24 natin. Another Battle of Orange Army. It's Papa Roach versus McLaurin. Tama? Orange Army for our race number 24. Okay. In our race number 24, it's going to be Papa Roach at lane 2. McLaurin at lane 2 rather than Papa Roach at lane 1 to start off race number 24. Ito na naman tayo. Sinisira na naman tayo mga oligarko. Buhay nga naman, ayaw tayong pagbigyan. Alright. Race 24 natin. Starting lane ni Papa Roach, lane 2. Lane 1, tapos McLaurin lane 2. For race 24, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Final lap. McLaurin winner, closing out the elimination round with a victory over Papa Roach. So most likely si Cosmo Atomica ng champion of the month dyan. Nanganganib na matanggal si Papa Roach dito. Naloko na. Naloko na. Naloko na. So tapos na si McLaurin, tapos na rin si Papa Roach. Taob na yan. Taob na dito yan. Full out. Ay, lost. Lost to McLaurin. So, Papa Roach, McLaurin, done. Tapos na. Tapos na po. So, down to 6 na lang tayo. Okay. Next na natin. Next na natin si ano. Next na natin si Setsunata, no? Neon Sara, dun sa may duluan. Setso na Neon Sara dito. Okay. Race 25, last 4 races natin. Neon Sara taking on Setso na for our race number 25. And in this matchup, of Super 2 chassis machines again, it's Neon Sara at lane 1, Setso na at lane 2. I repeat, Setso na at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1 for our race number 25. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Winner. Ayan. Winner. Winner. Neon Sara, winner. Okay. So, tapos na rin si Setsu na. Last na yon. Okay. Hit yon, hit. Loss, tapos won. Pero hit. Hit nga lang. Off muna yung flash. Tapos, Setsu na. Neon Sara, lost. Setsu na, tapos na. Malamang tanggal yan. Malamang yan, si Setsu na, tanggal na yan. 4 na puntos lang eh. 4 points lang yan. Si, ano naman, Papa Ross naman, ganun din. 4 na puntos lang din. Wala na. Tanggal na yung dalawa. That's it. Cosmo will win the champion of the month. Most likely. Tanggal na yan. Tapos 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. Pero tingnan natin kung good enough yan. Tapos na rin pala si Neon Sara, no? So, 4 na lang. So 4 na lang. 26, 27, 28. Magpapalitan lang ng mga kalaban. So, si 26. Si Cosmo, sinong last? Artitarika. Yun na yung last. Tama. Pwede. Polaris at saka Artitarika. Tapos yung last, si Archera at saka si may magbaback to back pala rito. 3 in a row. Tatlong sunod si Artitarika. 3 sunod. Okay. So 3 in a row to para kay Artitarika, no? 3 in a row. 3 dikit to para kay Artitarika. Okay. So last 3 races, this will involve Artitarika sa last 6 sa huling 3 karera natin sa elimination round. Na natagalan dahil sa pangit na signal natin. Pinapangitan na naman tayo ng mga oligarko eh. Okay, race 26 natin. Last 3 races here will be involving Artitarika. First is against Polaris. Yan. Ang unang laban niya will be against Polaris, and then yung kay Archera Myrtle, and then yung finals rematch. So, in this race number 26, it's Artitarika at lane 2, Polaris at lane 1. I repeat, Polaris at lane 1, Artitarika at lane 2 to start off race number 26. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Ako. Final up. Polaris winner. So, tapusin ni Polaris yung elimination round na panalo. Tapos si Archera Myrtle ang next na kalaban ni Artitarika. Last 3 races, 3 in a row. First time lang nangyari na 3 in a row. Nangyari Polaris lost. Tapos yung dalawang top 3. Puro top 3 na yung involved dito sa last 2. Okay. So, balik si Artitarika. This time, si Archera Myrtle naman ang kalaban sa ating penultimate race ng elimination round. So, balik ngayon na starting lane si Artitarika. Lane 1 this time siya. So, it's lane 1 for Artitarika, Archera Myrtle at lane 2 to start this penultimate race of our Sabado night racing on the Bats Tamiya League. Stock Motor Conference, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Good. Okay. Final up. This time, Artitarika won. So, 1-all na. 1-all na. Last, yun na, yung championship rematch. Ayun, ang last race natin sa elimination round. Sa wakas, nakapanalo rin si Artitarika ng isa. Finally, but not the least, ay itong ating previous race, previous championship race rematch ni na Artitarika at Cosmo Atomica. So, sa labanang ito, lane 2 si Artitarika this time. Alright. So, lane 2 for Artitarika, Cosmo Atomica at lane 1 being the respective starting lanes for this final race of the elimination round. Sweden. Ready, set, bye. Cosmo ahead. Nagyan ang pa. Ako. na lang. Okay, oh. Nakabawi. 1-2. 1 win, 2 losses si RT Tarika sa last 3 natin. Cosmo Atomica settling a score against RT Tarika to avenge its defeat at the previous championship race nung Wednesday. So that concludes our finally. This will alright. So at the end of our elimination round, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica topping the list with an unblemished 7-0-0, sweeping the elimination round with a perfect 14 points, ranked number 1, and then followed by McLaurin's 4-1-2 win-loss draw record. So a total of 10 points yun, 4 na panalo, 2 tabla, and then yung dalawang nagtabla sa third, tied at third, sina Neon Sara at Polaris with identical 8 total aggregate points, but at the same time tabla rin sila. Isa sa mga tabla nila, sila rin ang naglaban. Race number 5 yan actually, pero when it comes to number of wins, it's Neon Sara gaining the upper hand, 3 against 2. So therefore, it's going to be Neon Sara at number 3 and Polaris will be at number 4. So yung mga na-eliminate natin, yan si RT Tarika, Archera Myrtle, Papa Roach at Setsuna with identical 4 points apiece. Number 5 si number 5 si RT Tarika with 1 win. Tapos the rest 3 and 4, sila mismo yung nagtabla-tabla. So sa duluhan. So therefore, sina Archera Myrtle, Setsuna, Papa Roach at si RT Tarika ay wala na. Eliminated na sila. So final score for Papa Roach will be 9, Setsuna 5, Archera 5, if I'm not mistaken. 5. Yes, so identical 5 points sina Archera Myrtle, Setsuna, Metalder at si RT Tarika. Tatapos sila ngayong buwan ng Marso na may tigli 5 puntos. At si MP tapos na rin 1 point. So yung sina Venom at Merrick, bokya. So, ang may chance na lang ngayon maka-points sina Cosmo Atomica, McLaurin, Neon Sara, at Polaris. So, ayan ang ating natin. So, end of elimination round. Dadako na tayo right away with our semifinals. Number 1, knockout stage na tayo kagad. The semis 1 will feature top-seeded Cosmo Atomica taking on 4th-seeded Polaris. Okay, in our semifinals number 1, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2, contrasting colors po yung kanilang respective starting lanes. Cosmo Atomica at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Yun. So, walang problema pala. So, final score na. So, that's it. So, kahit anong mangyari na dito, si Cosmo Atomica na ang ating champion of the month. With 11. So, sa ngayon, 11. Baka maging 14 pa pag nag-champion. Alright, mga kanipan, without further ado, let's now proceed right away with our knockout stage with the semifinals number 1. Speak on! Ready, set, bye! Good! Tumatalbog talaga eh. Winner! That's it! Okay, hit. Winner. Winner na yon, winner. Cosmo Atomica returning to the championship race with a hit victory over Polaris. Hit po yun. Na hindi ko na napulot kagad. Na-late na ako ng pulot. So, that is a hit. We don't need to finish the lap requirement. It's an outright victory for Cosmo Atomica. Alright, semis 2 na tayo right away. Second-seeded McLaurin taking on third-seeded Neon Sara. Repeat of race number 1 in our semifinals. Number 2. Ito yung race number 1 kanina. Na nagkakanda putol-putol. Ang daming catching-reaching nangyari. Alright, hindi lang tayo matatapos. Alright, for our semifinals number 2, it's going to be McLaurin at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. I repeat, it's McLaurin at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1 as their respective starting lanes. Okay, isa. Tapos pati yung roller, iyan na rin. Yan. Alright mga kadipak, it's now time for our semifinals number 2. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Good. Last two. Final lap. We will now have a new challenger for Cosmo Atomica as Neon Sara upsets McLaren in our semifinals number 2 to clinch the championship race, slot to challenge Cosmo Atomica. So we'll now have a new challenger para kay Cosmo Atomica, and it's going to be Neon Sara facing Cosmo Atomica later on, right after our race for third tonight, featuring McLaren and Polaris. Alright, so number 2 versus number 4 na itong matchup natin sa race for third. Ang championship race naman natin is 1 versus 3. 1 versus 3. Na-upset ni Neon Sara si McLaren sa ating semis 2. Ibang klase. Muntik na nga Muntik na nga nag-iimbang eh. Maaring huli na para kay Neon Sara para maging champion ng damat. But at least, meron siyang consolation prize. May pa-consuelo na at least 2 points are going to the championship race. Ito si Neon Sara. Alright, in this race for third this time, it's Polaris at lane 2, McLaren at lane 1. I repeat, McLaren at lane 1, Polaris at lane 2. Yan. Alright mga kadipak, without further ado, it's now time for our final race for third for this March Madness season here on DTL SMC. First to 6 laps. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Final lap. Victory. Victory. And to close out this March Madness season here on DTL SMC, McLaren will close out this March Madness season with a third place finish and its final score of 2 points on aggregate. So, yun yung final score kay McLaren, 2 points. Polaris, bokya pa rin. Pero si Neon Sara, at least 2 points. Tapos na niya, minimum niyang tapos 2 points. Minimum final score na ni Neon Sara ngayong gabi will be 2 points. Alright. Finally, but not the least, definitely the ultimate showdown for this March Madness, Cosmo Atomica versus Neon Sara. Our last championship race for this March Madness season here on DTL SMC, and also the season finale of our SMC or Stock Motor Conference. And in this final championship race of our March 2024 edition, it's going to be Cosmo Atomica at lane 2, Neon Sara at lane 1. I repeat, it's Neon Sara at lane 1, and Cosmo Atomica will start at lane 2. Yan. Ayusin natin yung down pass niya, baka ano pa? Lapas na ng konti. Okay. Alright, without further ado, it's time to close out this March Madness season of DTL SMC with our final championship race in our season finale of the Patsamilig Stock Motor Conference. First to 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Okay. And up. Lap 2. Final lane changer. Final lap. And that's the wrap. Game over. Finally, game over na rin. So that wraps up our March Madness season of the Pats Family League and also the season finale of our inaugural season of the DTL SMC with Cosmo Atomica being the last champion of our first inaugural season of the Pats Family League Stock Motor Conference and also the champion of the month for March. Alright. So these are the podium finishers, or final podium finishers that will close out our season finale here on DTL SMC, with Cosmo Atomica being the last champion of our March Madness season here on DTL SMC and also the champion of the month of March 2024 with the highest number of points with 14 total aggregate points. So congratulations again to Cosmo Atomica, continuing to dominate the Stock Motor Conference with another Champion of the Month award. So ibig sabihin, three-time Champion of the Month, 3 of the 4. Si Venom yung October, tapos November, December, Cosmo ulit. Co-champion sila ni Venom ulit. Twice. So halos yung buong Stock Motor Conference si Cosmo ang nag-ari. On the other end, Neon Sara, congratulations still for putting up a good show. And yun, nag-second place. So pakonsuelong 2 aggregate points to close out March 2024 despite being late. So better late than never pa rin para kay Neon Sara. And last but not the least, McLaurin with a final score of 2 points after finishing another third place. After gaining another third place finish to close out our March Madness season on DTL SMC. And these are your podium finishers. Once again, sila po yung mga podium finisher natin para tapusin ang ating ang ating inaugural season ng ating DTL SMC. So that wraps up our DPATS Tamil League Stock Motor Conference for the year 2023 to supposed to be 2023 lang. Tinuloy lang natin ng February at March, yung November at December due to the inevitable happened. Because of the inevitables, may bigla ang na-hospital or in our case, talagang kinailangan ko magbantay na naman sa hospital. So, yun ang main reason bakit hindi ko na ituloy yung November at December. Ngayon ko lang tinuloy. Okay, so ngayon lang natin matatapos. Alright. So, final score na natin sa aggregate. It's Cosmo Atomica topping the list, being our champion of the month for another champion of the month to close out season 1 of DTL SMC with 14 total aggregate points. Papa Roach in second with 9 points. Then Archer Myrtle Setsuna, Artie Tareka, and Metalder tied at third place with 5 points apiece. Neon Sara and McLaurin tied at 7th with 2 points apiece. And 9th place will be MP with 1 point on aggregate this month of March 2024. So, yung mga hindi ko nabanggit, Bokya po. Wala po na-score. Ganun lang yan. Si Mirik, Venom at Polaris, walang na-score. Alright. So, that wraps up our season 1 of the Pats Tamil League Stock Motor Conference with our champion of the month, Cosmo Atomica. Congratulations for being our champion of the month again dito sa DTL SMC. Talagang dinominate itong Stock Motor Conference po natin. So, that wraps up our inaugural season of the Pats Tamil League Stock Motor Conference this March 23, 2024. And this has been Don Patrick D. Paraguilar again. My apologies to everyone who are watching this video log and also to those who will be watching anytime dahil sa putol-putol po na signal dahil nagkaputol-putol dahil nga doon sa poor internet signal natin, parang ayaw nang i-improve eh. Kaya hindi umaasenso yung bansa natin dahil dyan sa mga sabotay. Alam na this. Alam na this. Simply put, kaya nang humusga ngayon dyan. Kaya ko na magsalita, malamang magmumura lang ako rito. Alright. So once again, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, and get yourselves protected at all times and at all costs from all negativities and toxicities around you. Yan, protect yourselves from those negative things at all times and at all costs. As always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless all of us. God bless our beloved Maharlika nation, and God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. Muli po, this has been Don Patrick D. Paraguilar signing up for now and leaving you a pleasant and blessed Sabado nights to all of you. And have a blessed Holy Week ahead, beginning tomorrow until next Sunday, Easter Sunday. So, I hope maging matiwasay po ang inyong paggunita sa Semana Santa o yung mga mahal na araw. So, once again, as we always say, love the Philippines. Mahalin po natin ang Pilipinas at sama-sama po tayong bumangon mulit. Pakita pag malaki sa buong mundo tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, ay kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting Tamimini Forward Drive Racing action here on the Pats Tamil League Stock Motor Conference. And this has been your Season 1 of BTL SMC. And once again, this has been Don Patrick D. Paraguay saying Shukran and Tusentak for your continuing support of the Pats Tamil League. And this has been our season finale here on the Pats Tamil League Stock Motor Conference at magkita-kita-gets po tayo ulit sa May 1, 2024 for reloading and restarting the Pats Tamil League Season 4. Hopefully po. Once again, Di Pat Aguilar po, maraming salamat po muli.